What's up, you guys? Today, I'm going to cover the news. As usual, we're going to do a flash round, and I'm going to talk about why I'm very, very bullish on BitTorrent, TRON, the whole industry, and I'm going to share the soft PayPal TRON TRX connection that you want to know about because I think it's going to freak you out in the best of ways. You'll understand what I mean in a minute. If you're new to the channel, if you want cool insights like that and you like the sound of that, hit the bell, subscribe so you don't miss future videos that can help you out to make great decisions. Again, I got frog voice today, gonna cough. All right, that should fix that up for now. So let's see what's going on. We got is Bitcoin 40K Bitcoin the new 10K? It could be. BTC holds 43K support as exchange Bitfinex halts trading. So they actually had to halt trading, guys. And I'll just talk about this a little bit. An unexpected problem causes Bitfinex to temporarily shut down, with Bitcoin price action undoing gains in the process. So Bitcoin erased overnight gains on September 30th as sudden problems at major exchange Bitfinex caused a mass outage. I'm going to cover prices in a minute. Going to cover prices in a minute and fly through them, see where everything's sitting. Data from Cointelegraph Markets Pro and TradingView showed BTC USD losing the $43,000 level following the news after hitting local highs above $43,800. We're investigating issues with the platform and have to temporarily halt trading. So why do they do that? Well, security. Listen, if the industry isn't careful, I'm going to tell you right now, there's going to be a big crash, and it's going to be security based, because one of the big underlying silent advantages, the kind of is one of the legs on the tripod that holds cryptos up, that the industry has to look out for, is the security, basically, right? Blockchain is known, or one of the big advantages is security. And although security is not directly linked, the blockchain security is not directly linked to these types of breaches and issues, it is indirectly, just because of the fact that it's mentioned in the same breaths and sentences, and the industry needs to form some sort of consortium that basically keeps tabs on the overall security of the industry before big damage is done. And again, I'm bullish on crypto. I'm bullish on BTC. I'm bullish on Tron. I'm bullish on BitTorrent and some others, Cardano. But this is, kind of like, I guess what I'm saying is there needs to be some smoke alarms put in and some fire extinguishers, so that if these security fires pop up like they do, they're extinguished in the blink of an eye. So let's see what's happening with, and when you have the industry and you have articles coming out where they consider Justin Sun to be the second biggest influencer on Twitter in the crypto sphere, this really bodes well for what you guys want, which is to see the moon with Tron TRX and BitTorrent and your other holdings. Why does this help your other holdings? Well, it doesn't help your other holdings, so I shouldn't have even said that actually, but it definitely helps Tron and BitTorrent, because you need that big bad marketing machine. It's very, very important, along with having scalability, a great product, and things that make your web visitors, crypto visitors, happy. So I'm looking around here because I couldn't find the price screen. So we got $43,046 for Bitcoin. We got $2,983 for Ethereum, as Polygon temporarily passes them and flexes on them. We got Tether doing what it does. We got Cardano at $2.09. I think that's going to be petering down a bit more into the 150 range, and that would give me, in my opinion, a buy signal to give you. 140, 150. So we got XRP doing what it does. We got the Doge at 20 cents. I think she'll see 17, and that would be the time to giddy up, in my opinion. We got Chainlink 23.91. We got Polygon at $1.12. Polygon Matic. We got Tron at 8 cents, trying to clip 9 cents. And let's see where we got BitTorrent, BTT. Where are you? I'm going to talk about what I'm talking about in a second, guys. 0.003. Very, very good. All right. So, did you guys know that Tron TRX does about 5 times the volume of PayPal. Do you guys know how lucrative payment processing platforms are? Do you guys realize how crypto friendly PayPal has become? If you discard the value of anything else that has to do with Tron or BitTorrent, and you understand that they're forever intertwined, and if Tron now, in its still early days, is doing 5 times the volume of PayPal, can you imagine what kind of liquidity, what kind of bullish moves are there for Tron's earnings as they grow out and become 100 times what PayPal is just as a processor? Never mind GameFi, DeFi, NFTs, everything else that goes along with it, guys. The future is bright. That's why I'm bullish. I don't give up about these little fluctuations or being stuck in what others consider the lower pricing of these cryptos. Mark my words, again, not investment advice, but they will, in my opinion, they will fly, and they will make for some of the happiest cryptocurrency holders in the whole cryptosphere. What do we got here? We got a BitTorrent price prediction. Economy Watch. There's a few articles today, new ones, talking about BitTorrent and creating some buzz. You may want to read them. Just Google BitTorrent coin news. It's not anything that stands out. It's just PR press that's good for the coin because they're talking about it. China's crypto holdouts. Bitcoin nodes and OTC desk struggle on. We got, despite Beijing's increasing crackdown on the crypto industry, there are still some signs of life in the People's Republic regarding the Bitcoin network and OTC trading. So I think that China right now likes their electricity and they like being in charge of their country. And I think that cryptocurrencies, they see as a threat to both of these things. And the money, the actual short-term gain for what they perceive as long-term pain and destruction for now, the money is not going to overpower it, because in the end, cash is king and they want control of all their money. So I see darkness for crypto in China in the near term. However, I do not think this is permanent. I think that this will evolve and change quickly at some point, just as it went the other way and became the black sheep. I wish I had a sheep sound. Vulnerable KRAKEN reveals many US Bitcoin ATMs still use default admin QR codes. Again, guys, security. Bragging rights, Twitter previews, verification badge for NFT profile pics. And we got cloned CryptoPunks are back on OpenSea Marketplace after DMCA counter notice. According to the DMCA, PolygonPunks would have to have claimed its material was removed or disabled through mistake or misidentification. Non-fungible token NFT marketplace OpenSea is once again listing the Polygon-based copy of CryptoPunks after a successful Digital Millennium Copyright Act counter notice. In a Tuesday announcement on Twitter, the PolygonPunks project said its NFT collectibles were back on OpenSea after responding to a DMCA takedown notice from the Larva Labs, the creator of CryptoPunks. The punks were booted from OpenSea in August after becoming one of the most popular collections on the marketplace. Here's a little, I think it's a tweet, yep. Polypunks are back on OpenSea. The DMCA counter notice to Larva Labs was successful. We have resumed trading on the largest NFT marketplace in the world. We look forward to building a relationship with Polygon and its ecosystem as we grow on the Polygon network. Copyright and intellectual property laws are somewhat of a gray area in the crypto space. Guys, be on the lookout for whoever's next who's going to grab OpenSea, give them the smackdown, put them in a chokehold, and finish them off, because I do believe that OpenSea is, well, the MySpace, the Netscape, the Lycos, the early king who is going to be dethroned, chewed up, ripped apart, spat out, left for dead, dismembered horribly, when I don't know who, but someone comes out with an interface that, quite frankly, blows theirs away, because theirs, in my opinion, is very close to horrible. And I want you to be careful for those of you that are thinking about OpenSea, because in my opinion, it is not going to be the king of that territory. Here I go again. I think I'm back, but you know what? I think that's it for today. Hope this finds you healthy, happy as usual. I will see you on the next video. It's September 30th, 6:47 a.m. I'm going to upload this very quickly. It'll be up here in minutes. See you soon.